Hello future business leaders. Today, we're unveiling a remarkable opportunity, the Imperial Excellence Scholarship for MBA programs at Imperial College London. If you're aspiring to excel in your MBA journey, stay tuned for all the details. This is a postgraduate taught scholarship specifically designed for those pursuing an MBA at Imperial College London's Business School. Now, let's talk about the value of this fantastic scholarship. Successful applicants can receive up to £20,000, which can significantly alleviate the financial burden of pursuing an MBA. Who's eligible? The Imperial Excellence Scholarship seeks applicants demonstrating all-round excellence in their application and interview performance. All successful applicants for the MBA programs are eligible to apply. Feeling like you need more details? And not sure if you're eligible or confused about the next steps? Don't worry. DegreePlus is here to assist you. We can help you explore other funding and scholarship options that might suit your situation better. Don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to guide you toward the most suitable financial support for your educational journey. As we wrap up our guide to the Imperial Excellence Scholarship for MBA, seize this opportunity to enrich your MBA experience. Remember, time is of the essence. The deadline for applications is on May 7, 2024. So, make sure to mark your calendars and submit your applications before this crucial date. Education is a journey, and with the right support, your dreams are within reach. If you have any more questions or need assistance, feel free to reach us. Best of luck, future scholars. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more scholarship updates, and hit the bell icon to stay notified.